Hi everyone, in this module we're going to be covering carts. So, as the name suggests, carts are pretty similar to their e-commerce counterpart. Carts are a way for you to track the movement and custody of your items in one single entity. So, let's say you have a couple of things you want to check out, and you want to be able to keep a track of all the things you're checking out in one go. So, for that purpose, you'd use a cart. So, you can check out a cart, you can reserve a cart for someone else, you can move a cart, and you can also transfer custody of a cart from one person to the other. Apart from that, you can link carts to one another as well as track the cost of each cart. The use cases of all of these, which will be discussed in the upcoming videos. So, with all of that, let's get started.